Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Gmail account you plan to link. This ensures ownership and makes verification seamless. Once signed in, open the Hoyoverse game or official account portal and choose Account Management. Make sure two-step or device verification is available on your Gmail. This helps when Hoyoverse asks for a confirmation code. If you use an authenticator app, have it open. If you use SMS, ensure your phone can receive messages. Begin the link process from the Hoyoverse account settings now. You now choose the External Accounts or Linked Accounts option inside Hoyoverse, then pick Gmail or Add Email to start the connection flow. When prompted, grant Hoyoverse permission to verify your email. This does not give access to your inbox contents beyond verification. Once you enter your Gmail credentials, expect a verification code sent to Gmail or via your chosen two-factor method. Make sure to type the code exactly and submit. Hoyoverse will confirm the link and show the connected Gmail address on your account page. You finish by entering the verification code Hoyoverse sent to your Gmail or through your two-factor authenticator. This step finalizes ownership confirmation. Once done, confirm the Gmail address appears under Account Management as linked. If the link fails, make sure the verification email is not in spam, disable pop-up blockers, and retry. Sometimes server delays require waiting roughly 10 minutes before resending. If issues persist, revoke then reinitiate the permission from Gmail settings and repeat the linking flow to resolve lingering authorization conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.